Changing your Konami ID Gmail isn't something anyone thinks about until you suddenly need to do it. Maybe you're locked out of an old email, maybe you're trying to unlink accounts. Either way, Konami doesn't make it easy. It's not like Google or Apple where there's a clean interface and a big shiny change email button. With Konami, it feels like you're trying to update your record with an underground chess society that runs on fax machines. First thing you do, go to https://my.konami.net. This is their central account hub. You'll need to log in using your existing Konami ID and password. If you forgot the Konami ID, now would be a great time to question life choices. Once you're in, click on Account Information. It's in the top menu bar. Not super obvious, but this is where you start. Now look for email address listed in your details. It's there, staring at you, but no edit button. Here's the kicker. To change your email, you'll have to first register a new email address. Yeah, it sounds backward, but go to Update Email Address on the left panel. That's how Konami rolls. Caller ID level obscure. You'll input your new email address here and they'll send you a verification link. It expires quickly, like weirdly fast. You've basically got 5 minutes before the link is toast, so check your inbox immediately. No breaks. Now, after clicking that verification link, you still aren't done. You need to re-log into the Konami portal and confirm the switch. If you get logged out anytime during this process, it might reset the whole thing. Happens a lot. And pro tip, it won't update your linked game consoles automatically. If you use Konami ID for PES or eFootball, you'll need to unlink your account there and relink it using the new Gmail. It's wildly inconvenient, but required. The most common pain point? People forget what email is linked to what device. Or worse, they try 5 times with different emails and get locked out for too many attempts. Konami security is medieval. They do not mess around. If you're completely locked out of your email and can't access the Konami login link, then you'll have to contact Konami support. And let me tell you right now, that's a 2-week wait minimum. Maybe longer if there's a new game release. If you get that far and they still don't help, which happens, your last resort is creating a new Konami ID entirely. Yes, it sucks, especially if you've already linked it to in-game assets, but it's like pulling an emergency brake. Would be so much easier if Konami just used platforms like Google Login or Apple ID like everyone else, but nope. It's like they built this system in 2006 and just left it sitting in a bunker somewhere under Tokyo. So, yeah, changing your Konami Gmail is more of a mini project than a quick update. But if you time out the email switch and relink everything properly, it's doable. Just grab a coffee and prepare your patience reserves up front.